you tired of spending hours creating study guides when you could actually be studying? What if you could take any document, textbook, chapter, or even messy class note and turn them into a perfect study guide as per your need? Create the study material as per your need within 30 seconds or even less. You just need to upload the source of information, which could be any textbook, PDF, or anything, or website URL. It's quite fast and simple to do this. You can generate the tutorial structured data material in Hindi or any other language of your choice. Instantly generate the summary of the material, study material. It could be in any language, either in Hindi, English, or any other language of your choice. You can also generate the flashcards. Now, here is a simple workflow to get the study material, structured study material. What you see over here is a notebook LM, and on the left side, what you see is the sources, website, PDF, or textbooks. You just need to feed into notebook LM, and what you get is structured study material like audio, video, flashcards, and quizzes. Log into notebooklm.google.com with your own user ID and password. If you don't have the Google account, just create it and you can go to the notebooklmgoogle.com. You will end up into something like this page is the main page where you have list of all the notebooks. You just need to click on the plus, and then you need to go to, you get a pop-up where you need to upload or give the source of information that has to be collected by notebook to give you the study material. For example, if you want to study about the solar system, you need to give the sources from where the notebook should pick the information. You could give the website URL which has got the information about the solar system or any other places where you can get. But the best way I would suggest is to use the discover sources. Now the notebook LM would discover the sources for you as per the prompt that you are giving over here. Now in this case, we are trying to learn about the solar system in the standard fifth and sixth. And you just need to give a prompt stating that you want to study the solar system and you are a student of fifth class or sixth standard, whatever it is. Now, in this case, we have taken fifth standard, and if you want to specify the board as such or specific things from where it has to pick up the material, you just need to give the prompt over here, and I'm just giving the prompt, all the detailed prompt. Want to learn the solar system as per the syllabus. So I'm giving the syllabus of the CBSE, which is a standard board in India. It's an education board in India, and I'm giving the reference to the CBSE. And it should focus, the study material should focus on the solar system, how it works, different planets or the attributes of the planets, and also focus on what is important from the exam perspective. So all those things you can give here, like I'm giving, it should also cover what is important from the exam perspective. Okay, so refine this prompt as per your need, and this is what I've given over here. And you just need to say from where it has to collect. It can collect from the web. That is the best option for you. Just say web, and this next it will give you all the resources from where it can collect this information. So you can see what are the sources from which. Now it has given you the list of 10 resources from where it is going to collect. Now if you want to deselect any one of them, then you are free to do that, or I would just keep it as is, whatever the default comes here, and then go ahead with the next steps. It is, you can scroll through to see the all the sources. Now I've taken the all the default. On the left panel, you can see it is collecting the data from all the different sources, and it is going to summarize the things for you in the middle panel, like it has done it for you right now. As you can see, it has given you the information about the uh, solar system. So students can come over here and see what is solar system, the basic information about this, or the even the detailed information. But that's just one part of it, and more important is a few other things that we would see now. If you want to ask them some question, you can just give a prompt over here and ask some questions to it. and it will answer your queries. Like what I'm asking over here, give me the brief about what is solar system. And based on the resources that you have given, if you have given the chapter fifth of the chapter about the solar system from the fifth standard, it will give you the answer from that. So it's all about what is the source you have given. We have taken 10 different sources in this case. Now what is important is that you could also generate the audio and you can customize. Now if you are trying to learn in Hindi, you can just select the language, choose the language. I'm going to select the Hindi as a language over here. See, there are different language, Hindi, and then what is the length default. You want to deep dive, select the deep dive format, and specific prompt. If you want to give, you can give the details about solar system or something like this, and add per this prompt and all the customizations like language. In this case Hindi, it will generate the audio which you can just hear and prepare yourself. So I'm just giving few more information about how the audio should be, what should be the content of the audio, and you're fully equipped to customize this material as per your need, or the audio that it would generate in Hindi, it could generate in any other language. Now likewise, you can also customize to get the flashcards. Now you can just see how many flashcards, the standard number, not fewer but standard. And then what is the difficulty level you want to see, medium, hard, or easy, or you could give the prompt, and as per that it is going to generate the uh, flashcards. You could also generate the quizzes. Now the quizzes again, you want the more quizzes, you want the medium or the hard, whatever level, then you select it and it will start generating the quizzes. So we are generating the audio, we are generating the quiz, we are generating the flashcards. Now we are going to generate the video as well. Now video also you could generate in any language. Now here I'm going to select Hindi as a language, the Hindi as a language, and rest mostly I'm going to keep it as default. You know, and I want the explainer, so I've selected the explainer and say OK to it. If you want to give some prompt, specific instructions while creating the video, it will do. You can do that. Now it is doing its job. Is generally the quiz, flashcard, audio, and the video. So you need to wait for some time to get this generated. Now you see it has generated the audio video after some time. And also now I'm going to click on the flashcards. So see the flashcard is generated. One of the first flashcard says what is the some quiz over there. Then second flashcard, you can also get into details by saying clicking on the explain. Answers that you get for the flashcard, you could just say explain. It is going to explain you the things on the left side or the middle panel. Say this, all these things are there. Yep. So this is how you can generate and use the flashcards. And this also you need to see the number of flashcards it has generated out of the 10 resources. It is quite a few number that it generates, and you can go over all the flashcards. The next we are going to see the quizzes. It generates the quiz like any other quiz material. It has generated 30 quizzes, 30 questions with multiple choices. You will just say, okay, I'm selecting something here, it went wrong, and it says the gives me the right answer. And you can just keep solving those quizzes over here, and also get the explanation for the answers, right answers, in the middle panel. This is how the quiz is working. So it has generated 30 quizzes in this case. You could expand the page. You could see in the full page mode, so that it's easier for you to go through the quizzes. So everything is there. Now all these things has been generated as per your needs, right? So any student can do this, or if you want to even study for any kind of interviews, you could do that. Now this is how it is working, right? Now let's see the audio part of it. Those I'm sorry, let's see the video part of it. Now I clicked on the video, it has generated, and it will go through the
हमारे
video.
अपने घर यानी सौर मंडल के उन रहस्यों से रूबरू कराएगा जिनके बारे में शायद हमने सोचा भी नहीं होगा। तैयार हो जाइए क्योंकि ये सफर वाकई में हैरान कर देने वाला है। तो ग्रहों की इस यात्रा को शुरू करने से पहले क्यों ना एक कदम पीछे हटकर जरा बड़ी तस्वीर देखी जाए। ये है हमारी अपनी आकाशगंगा मिल्की वे, सौर मंडल की तरफ, जो मिल्की वे के कह सकते हैं कि ऐसी जगह है जिसके बारे में हम जानते हैं जहां जिंदगी सांस लेती है।
का अपनी स्थिर अवस्था में चमकने वाला तारा है।
बाहर की परत अंदर से ज्यादा गर्म।
हाँ, ये अभी भी पूरी तरह से समझा नहीं गया है, पर ऐसा ही है।
अच्छा,
और ये भी जानना जरूरी है कि सूर्य हमेशा ऐसा नहीं रहेगा।
मतलब
इसकी उम्र करीब
पीटर।
हाँ सबसे
Thank you. Do subscribe and like if you like the information in the video. Thank you.